你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome back to Smart Mandarin video lesson. In our previous video lesson, we learned about what is verb, object, verb, this kind of weird verb in Mandarin. And in today's lesson, we're going to teach you how to use verb, object, verb, and why is it so important in Mandarin Chinese. Let's get started. First of all, let's take one verb, object, verb, for example, to drive, 开车 in Mandarin, which is a verb, object, verb. It means drive car, 开车. So drive car is a verb, object, verb, 开车. And then how do we separate this verb, object, verb, and how do we use it? For example, you could say 他开日本车他开日本车 He drives Japan car, which means that he drives a Japanese car. In this case, you can see that we separate 开车 this verb object. So it literally means he drives Japan car. So 日本 modify the object 车. The object is of course a noun. So 日本车 Japan car, which means Japanese car. So he drives Japanese car. 他开日本车. Actually, this concept is quite similar to English, but you don't call that verb, object, verb, right? So 他开日本车 He drives a Japanese car. Let me give you another example. 我喜欢画中国画我喜欢 I like 画 to draw or to paint 中国 Chinese 画 painting. So I like to paint a Chinese painting. I like to draw a Chinese painting. 我喜欢画中国画 So here the verb object verb is 画画 and then we separate that. Why do we want to separate that? Because we want to use 中国 to modify 画 the object, the noun. What kind of painting? Chinese painting. 中国画 Or we could say 他看美国电影他看 He watch 美国 America, it's a country 电影 movie. So where is the verb object? 看电影 watch movies. So what movies? 美国电影 watch American movies. 他看美国电影 See, when we separate the verb object, the first thing is we want to modify the object, the thing, right? And the second is we want to quantify the object. For example, 他唱一首中文歌 So the verb object here is 唱歌 sing song 唱歌他唱 he sings 一首 one 首 is the measure word for song 歌 so 一首歌 is one song so he sings a Chinese song 他唱一首中文歌 he sings a Chinese song so we want to quantify the song how many songs one song 一首歌 In this case, you also need to separate the verb object. 他唱一首中文歌 Or you could say 我一个月看一本书我一个月 one month 一个月 one month 看 to read 一本本 is the measure word or the counting word for books and magazines. So 看 一本 read one 书 book. So I every month or 1 month read a book. I read a book every month. I read a book a month. 我一个月看一本书. So 一本 is the quantifier to tell you that how many books did I read. And then I have to separate the verb object, which is 看书. So the second usage for the verb object to separate it is that you want to quantify the noun. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this video helped. If you like this video lesson, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see the full course for the beginner's lesson, please hit the links down below on my Teachable. Until then, I'll see you in my program or see you in my next video lesson. 谢谢你们，再见。